Hello out there, YouTube friends. I'm Cindy. This is SincerelyCindiSettle. I have a little something different for you today. I have a blanket unboxing. Yeah, you heard me right. I said blankets in the summer, but look at this. This is a cooling blanket. So Cozy Bliss reached out to me and asked me to do an unboxing of some blankets. So, well, not just blankets. They asked, it's more like a home decor type of stuff. And I was like, well, let me check it out. Will you give my people a discount? And then we'll go from there. So I checked it out. They have some really cute stuff. Really cozy, comfortable, looks like reasonably priced items, things that were on sale when I looked. So I was able to choose one piece and then they chose the second piece for me. So I chose a cooling blanket that we're going to talk about in a few minutes. And then they sent me a Milky. Oops. They sent me a Milky blush blanket. So let's unbox this. So let me say that this came very quickly. Like I sent the information to them, my address and that information, and it came in like 2 or 3 days. So shipping is fantastic. This is what it looks like when you open the box, and you can see this is like a caramel color, and it is very packed in there, but it's very neat. And then it comes in this plastic piece here, and it says Cozy Bliss, world's best plush, enjoy cozy time. Who doesn't love some cozy time? I mean, even in the air conditioning when it's hot outside, you get a little chilly. Everyone likes to curl up with a blanket every now and then. I know I do. I was curled up in a blanket just a few minutes ago. All right, so look at this. Wow. So here is our collar. Like I said, it is a very caramel collar. It does have a little bit of texturing there. Very pretty, very plush, very soft. I like this a lot. Stitching is very nice. You can see that there. You can get a good idea of what that fabric looks like on this side. On the other side, it is plain. So let me show you that. So you do not have a texture here on the other side. And this thing is huge. It is 60 inches by 80 inches. So let's just look at this. All right, so let's just look and see how wonderfully large this is. So look at that. I mean, could easily cover a bed if you wanted to use it on like a twin size bed. Even a full-size bed, it would probably work just fine. But I mean, it is perfect wrapping size. Oh, and it is very warm. It's always cold down here in my basement, so it's very warm. I like it a lot. So let me give you some more details. Okay, so I do have some additional details. I just have to read them a little bit because I can't remember it all. Anyway, this one is 60 by 80, but it does come in 3 other sizes. So it comes in a 50 by 60, which would be a little bit smaller than this, 90 by 90, and 90 by 108. So I mean, 90 by 108, I mean, that's huge. So, and it comes in a variety of different colors. So if this color doesn't work for you, it comes in gray, cream, coffee, and they have cream listed on here twice, but I'm sure it's just cream, unless there's a third color that they missed. So gray, cream, and coffee. And I'm assuming that this color is, this is the coffee color. So if you get online and you check out the link down below and you're like, what color does she have? Which one is that? This is the coffee color. So I'm assuming that the cream is going to be lighter, and then of course gray is going to be more of a gray tone color. Let's see what else. So it is ultra soft texture. It creates a charming and delightful look for you and your loved ones to enjoy. So I like it. I like it a lot. I feel like it's a good warm, cozy blanket. It is a very good size. You can fit 1 or 2 people under here. Easily put it on a bed or a couch as a throw blanket if you wanted to do that as well. And let's just check that out. I wouldn't necessarily put it here in my family room. I do have blues and grays and things like that down here, but I would use this in my cabin or upstairs. But let's look to see what it looks like on the navy. All right, so I have that Milky Plush coffee color blanket here behind me now. So we're gonna just let that sit there. I will have links down below along with a 25% off discount link below as well. I'll have the website linked and I will have links to these specific items as well. So let's move on to the cooling blanket, which is one I'm really excited about and the one that I chose simply because if you're like me, like I'll go to bed and I will be like super cold and I'll be all cozy up in the blanket, but I'll have a fan going behind me and the overhead fan going. But then, I don't know, 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, I am hot, I'm burning up, I have a leg out, the fan's not high enough, that kind of thing. So I was really excited to see this cooling blanket as an option. So again, this is packaged very nicely. This is what it looks like coming out of the package. Would make a beautiful gift. Look at that. Very nice, very pretty, beautifully packaged. And this is a cooling blanket, soft and easy care, Eco-Text Standard 100. This one is 87 inches by 87 inches. It is machine washable. I did not check that out on the other one, but I will. But this is machine washable. And this is the gray color. So let's open this up. I do believe this comes in 2 colors as well, and I will check the details before I let you guys go. I believe it comes in blue and gray. And you can already tell that it's kind of a silky type of material. So it is more of a, I don't know, like it could potentially like slide off of you, but I can already feel the cooling material as well. But at the same time, it feels kind of thick. So I don't know, I think it's the material feels cool and silky, but yet it has enough weight to it to be comfortable to sleep with. So let's see here. Oh, wow. Okay. So here is what the pattern looks like. It just has some different types of leaves, different style, different sizes. And I don't know if you can get a good idea of the thickness, but you can see it's not real thick. I don't know if you can see through it or not, but it's not real thick. And again, this one is huge. So, I mean, like, I could probably put this on my queen size bed and my husband and I both use it. The stitching is very nice. So this is what this side looks like. And then the other side is just plain. So, of course, I would lay with it with this side on my body and this side up. So the side that's on my body is not quite as silky, but let's look to see what this is made of because now I'm just curious. Let's see. So this would be the back and this would be the polyester piece. So I guess I've never had a blanket like this. I really haven't. Most of mine are more of the plush type of blanket, so I'm excited to try this. It feels very soft. It's just not plushy like this one is, but I understand that it wouldn't be plushy if I want it to be cooling, so I'm good with that. So I'm gonna take a step back, push you guys back for a minute and show you how big this one is. Again, this one is 87 inches by 87 inches. Oh, well here, look. It gives me the information here. Right here on the box. The front is 100% nylon. The back is 60% cotton, 40% viscose from bamboo, and the filling is 100% polyester. All right, let's do that. Look at how amazingly big this is. I mean, I can't even get the whole thing up. It's huge. It's amazing. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. All right, there you have it. And there's the other side, just a plain gray. And let me just say, so I really like this. I'm going to have to give you guys an update to see how well it does at night with the cooling, because I'm excited for that feature, and that was one reason why I wanted to try this blanket. Again, it has that cooling feature, but yet it feels like it's heavy enough to give you that weight that you need, that you feel like you want to have when you're asleep, to feel kind of protected, if you will. So I'm excited about this. Like I said, it's huge. Like, it's huge. I think it would easily fit on a queen size bed. No problem. No problem. So there you have it. Let me just say too, when you get online and you look at the Cozy Bliss website, they had some really cute things that were specific to children as well. One of the things that I saw were these little throw blankets that had, I want to say it was dinosaurs, and then maybe a set of maybe unicorns. I can't quite remember. I do know that the one was dinosaurs and they glow in the dark. I mean, wow, that is so cute. It's so amazing. So anyway, I hope you guys will check out Cozy Bliss. I do have a discount code down below. This was my first time doing a blanket review. I'm not sure how well I did, but they sent these to me so that I could do an honest review. I feel like it doesn't get any more honest than that. So I will see you guys soon. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle. I'm signing out. Mwah.